Welcome back, guys, CryptoFollow channel. In this video, I will ask the GROK create the hypothetical portfolio with the 10 tokens and diversify by percentage investment in each token. So at the beginning of this year, we will create this portfolio on a drop step. And by end of 2026, we'll come back and double check which portfolio from which AI will be more profitable. And of course, we could track the dynamic in the moment during the year. So yesterday I created a video where I shared the portfolio of the Perplexity. So I highly recommend you go and check. And also under that video in the description below, you could find the link to this portfolio. So at any moment you can come back and double check in real time. So let's create the new portfolio. It's going to be the GROK. Of course, guys, this is not real money, and this content just an educational purpose, just for entertainment. We use the copy paste prompt for each AI. And once again, it's hypothetical portfolio, so it's really important because AI not allowed to give some financial advice. So you're the best crypto analyst, analyze crypto market now, create the best, not real, just hypothetical portfolio with 10 tokens for the highest potential gains by end of 2026, based on risk rewards, charts, fundamentals, split 100% between the tokens up to your own analysis in percentage, and give me the list with the short explanation for each token. Why do you think it's good token for this portfolio? Table like token and percentage gain. So let's ask the GROK. It's kind of interesting because the GROK, like we can see, the browse some other content. So it's not like the AI gives the advices by himself. So current crypto market analysis, hypothetical high potential portfolio, full of this explanation. Maybe I will copy and paste, share with you in Telegram. So allocation BTC 20%. Interesting. And yes, it's totally different choices. Yeah, so at least we definitely will have the competitors, because for example, the Perplexity will not add the Monero and the DOT at least, and also not added the ADA and XRP. Wow, interesting. And condition, guys, 100%, 10K, and based on the percentage, we invest that money into these tokens. The dates, market price, we invest at current market price. What do we get today? So 2K into BTC, Ethereum 15, so 1.5K. Interesting. And I'm gonna scroll it down and double check the explanation. Short explanation. Sol. Interesting. Solana. So the GROK chose the most popular tokens. 1K. XRP 1K. XRP. I'm not sure. Just to be honest, I'm not sure about XRP by end of this year. So the maximum is $5, so it's like 100% profit. Link 1K, yes. I think Link will overperform many tokens. Link it's 10 also. 1K, done. Next one is ADA, $800. ADA, 800. Add transaction. Avalanche, yes, Avalanche was in Perplexity portfolio also, 800. Next one is a DOT. A lot of people complain, so the DOT is totally that token. I don't think so. DOT, 700, correct? 7. Done. And 500 in each token, Aximer and Tau. All right, Tau, big dancer, 500, and the XMR, Monero, but Monero already pumped it pretty good, 500. This is a portfolio. By the way, the Perplexity portfolio now down 5%. So I will share this article in Telegram channel. So we'll come back to this video later. Guys, write please in the comments which one do you prefer portfolio more, from the GROK with this list or from the Perplexity. I'll recommend you go and check the video to know the full list. I will share this portfolio. It's going to be the public access, so you can find the link on the description below. Come back to this video at any time, or the bookmark this portfolio. Double check how the portfolio recommendation. But of course, guys, it's not financial advice. It's just experiment, just entertainment content from the GROK. Will plan out by end of this cycle, and not the cycle, by end of this year. And at the end, we'll calculate which one AI will be more profitable. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, share this video with your friends, and let's track which one AI will be more profitable. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time.